Hey everybody, step 6 of the affiliate tax series. Let's finally unpack the 15.3% self-employment tax, and I'll explain why the IRS makes you multiply that weird number by 92.35%. Normally, when you're a W-2 employee, you pay 7.65% for Social Security and Medicare, and your employer matches that by themselves paying 7.65%. But as an affiliate, you are both the employee and the employer, so you pay the full 15.3%. But one good news about that is that, yes, you pay both halves, but the employer side of it is deductible. It's a write-off. It's part of a business expense, but you still are not deducting the full 15.3%. So let's run some numbers. In this example, you earn $1,000 in affiliate commissions and have no expenses. That $1,000 is subject to the SE tax, self-employment tax, which is $1,000 times 15.3% is $153. I do want to point out that this is a separate tax than your normal income tax that you would pay to the IRS. All right, so we took that $1,000, but what if you actually made $10,000 and you had expenses that you could deduct for $2,000? $10,000 minus $2,000, that's $8,000. That means your net income is $8,000. That's your taxable income. But here's the twist nobody explains. The IRS only taxes 92.35% of that for self-employment taxes. Why? Because it's a built-in adjustment for the employer half. 100% minus 7.65%, that's 92.35%. Now remember, you get to deduct the employer's side of that tax. That's why they drop it down. So now that $8,000 times 92.35% is $73.88, and you take that times the 15.3% and you get $1,131 in self-employment taxes. So the reason I went over that 92.35%, the IRS is good at telling you how to calculate these numbers. They're not good at explaining why they're making you do that. So that's my job. So that's why I'm telling you the 92.35% is there. But that's how the 15.3% tax works. And that's how you see that strange 92.35% number on your tax return. So I want you to plan for it now so you're not shocked later. And follow me for step 7, where I'll show you where this income lands on your tax return.